Welcome to DocsEazy Tutorials. Okay, now let's look into the LEN function in Excel. The LEN function returns the number of characters in a given text string. LEN takes just one argument, text. LEN counts the number of characters in text, including space and punctuation, and returns a number as the result. If text is an empty string, or text is a reference to an empty cell, LEN returns 0. LEN will also count characters and numbers, but number formatting is not included. Let's look into an example. Suppose we would like to find how much characters are there in the word Microsoft Cloud. We can use the LEN formula. Let's put the formula in the cell next to the word. Let's start with equals sign, then type LEN, then open a bracket, select the text, close the bracket and press enter. This gives the total number of characters in the selected cell. Now in order to apply this to all the other text strings, select the cell with the LEN formula, then double-click on the right down corner. It automatically fills down. We can also check the characters of a word or number by directly putting it inside the formula also. For example, the formula equals LEN, cars are parked, will return the total number of characters of the word cars are parked. Another example, the formula equals LEN, 15256, will return the total number of characters of the number 15256, which is 5. Thanks for watching DocsEazy Tutorials. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button for more videos. Have a nice day.